Presenting a pre-owned 2010 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 148,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, trailer hitch, power windows, and window defogger.